This video will demonstrate how to extract and send data from many documents into a single Excel table. This capability to consolidate information from numerous documents into one table enables enhanced analysis and better data organization. To set up this workflow, we utilize a combination of FabSoft DeskConnect and Azure Logic apps. The Azure Logic app flow is straightforward, requiring only two actions. To configure my input data, I will paste JSON text that I got from DeskConnect into the sample payload field in my HTTP request action. This will allow me to directly select the dynamic information sent from DeskConnect as the fields in my Excel action. Now that my workflow configuration is finished, I can process numerous documents at once by placing them into a monitored folder. This process is straightforward and supports continuous data uploading. Once the data is imported into the Excel table, we can easily run analyses and gain insights that would have been previously inaccessible. Note that I have also configured a sub-workflow to ensure a copy of the original PDF documents are saved locally. However, these PDFs could have also been sent to any other output location if needed. In conclusion, combining Azure Logic apps and DeskConnect enables the creation of live Excel tables that contain dynamic information from submitted documents. If you would like to save time and improve your business's organizational and analytical capabilities with this automated process, please click the link in the description for a 30-day free trial of DeskConnect.